What is going on, guys? So today I want to show you the AstroAI portable tire inflator and air compressor. So this is a 5-volt 2.5 amp charging. It's cordless. This is great for bikes. I actually used it to inflate my tires. I'm going to show you some video here in a second of me actually using it to inflate my car tire, which was awesome. Has a removable lithium ion battery and has a maximum pressure of up to 160 psi, which is crazy powerful. So it's going to be able to inflate basically any tire you could possibly really imagine, as well as other things as well. So let me pull this thing out here and let me show you guys what you get. So what's great is that it comes in a really nice little convenient carrying case, just like this. But in the package, you're going to get everything that you need. It has literally everything that you could possibly be looking for. So the unit itself looks just like this. It kind of looks like a drill, but it has a nice cable out the front. This is going to be your high pressure hose. And then you've got your adjustment fitting right here. You're going to put this over your tires and you're going to be able to lock it in place. You do have some adjustments as well for inflating tires or balls or sports balls or inflatables, things like that. You basically have every little attachment that you could possibly need there. This is really simple to use. So you have a lithium ion battery. This is a 20-volt lithium battery. It does have the charger. You're going to basically plug it into the wall. You're right here. You're going to charge this guy up, and so you can take it and use it completely wirelessly if you would like, which is great. Very convenient. Now, if you're going to be working in a position, or a space where you can plug it into and keep it plugged in, this is the adapter for it. So it's going to basically go in the same slot as you would put the battery in, but then down here in the bottom, you have a power cable with a really long extension cord. So you actually just keep it plugged in and wired at all times. It's got a nice little groove right here so the cable can come out. So if you have, if it's going to be staying in your garage for the most part or a shop, you can use this. If you need to take it with you on the go and be mobile, you can use the battery pack, which is fantastic. Very straightforward and easy to use. Basically, you're going to turn this guy on, okay? On the back here, oops, sorry there. On the back here, you're gonna see you've got your PSI setting, and then it's going to tell you the pressure of the device that you're, the tire that you're filling, or the item that you're filling. And so basically you set the pressure that you're looking for, and then you just pull the trigger, and it's gonna start inflating, just like that. And it's gonna stop once it reaches the target PSI that you have selected. So very straightforward, very easy to use. It's got a nice little LED light on the front so you can see, especially in the dark. So really great multi-purpose tool for all sorts of inflating things. So if you guys are looking for something like this is a great gift idea for somebody who works in a shop or is just just inflating tires or needs that kind of thing. It's also great for summertime. So if you're looking for something like this, definitely consider getting this one by AstroAI. I can tell you it works really well. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.